Hi guys, long time no see. After a couple of days of rest, I started to miss you guys. So, without further ado, in today's video we will make a double battery powered soldering iron. Let's get started and see what we'll need. To make our portable soldering iron, we will need two AA batteries. Better to use the more powerful ones, as they will last longer. We will also need one screw, a few washers, a wooden block, battery holder, one switch, a piece of copper wire, some fiberglass tape, and a piece of nichrome wire. I will use a 17mm thick and about 3 cm long piece. First of all, we need to cut off a small piece of copper wire. Then, we cut a piece of fiberglass tape and wrap it around the wire. Wrap it with cover. Later on, it will burn out. Now, let's wrap the nichrome wire. Make a kind of a sling at the end. Now, put on the washers and fix them onto the block. And finally, solder the wires to the switch and connect the nichrome wire. So guys, our mini soldering iron is ready. Let's test it out. Insert the batteries. Switch it on. As you can see, there's some smoke. It's because the nichrome wire is burning the cover that we left on. The smoke will fade in a minute. That's all for today. Here's our portable double battery soldering iron. It's quite possible that this very soldering iron will help us out in a tricky situation. By the way, it's better to use the rechargeable batteries, as the plain ones will not last as long. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe, press like, but most of all, stay safe.
Пока-пока.
Did you know? Around 40 years ago, Duracell brought alkaline batteries to the market. In 1960s-1970s, such batteries became very popular among developers of electrical appliances.